Hi, I'm Jude. I'm studying on the Chinese Herbal Medicine MSc course.
Could you tell me what made you choose the NCA for your training?
Well, that's an easy one because I did my acupuncture training here and absolutely loved it. Had a wonderful 3 years, was part of an amazing group of people who I still keep up with, and I live fairly close. I live about 20 miles away, so it's really accessible for me. Even if it was 120 miles away, I would still come to the NCA though, because it has very high standards of teaching. The clinic is a marvellous experience for getting to know how to treat patients firsthand, and I just think I'm having a wonderful time.
Can you tell us a little bit about e-learning? Because obviously that is part of the course.
Yeah, I was really worried about e-learning before I did it, because I'm a bit of a technophobe. So for me, the idea of doing e-learning was which filled me with a bit of horror. However, the technical support from NCA is absolutely brilliant, and the e-learning is great because you have the e-learning on your computer the whole time, so that you can go over and over and over again, which with herbs is really, really essential.
Can you just maybe explain a little bit about what exactly we do teach with the e-learning?
Okay, well, in the first year of the Chinese herbal medicine, you get a different herb set each week. Say qi tonics or yin tonics or qi regulators, and you get the herbs within that group. And Sarah Price, who's one of our lovely tutors, has a kind of a voiceover of the slides and tells you about what each herb does, what its actions are, what formulas it's in, and basically it's a very good start for your own study then, and a very good revision tool.
Could you tell us about a time that you've been inspired by one of your tutors?
Well, that's quite a difficult one really, because I find all the tutors here quite inspiring. I think probably when Andrew Flower came to speak to us, he's one of the tutors who comes, an external tutor who comes during the course a couple of times. And I was really inspired by him to learn more about urinary tract infections. I have patients who've had problems with urinary tract infections, never quite sure how best to treat them, but his teaching was absolutely phenomenal, and I've gone off and studied that a lot more, and in fact did a presentation in my first year on interstitial cystitis, and went to a local group of sufferers of interstitial cystitis and talked to them about coming for acupuncture and Chinese herbal medicine, and have built up some new patients in my practice because of that.
What are your thoughts and plans for when you completed your herb training?
Well, I already have my own acupuncture practice, and I intend to build in herbs, herbal treatment for at least some of my patients. And I'm also hoping to expand and treat children a lot more as well. So maybe more learning is on the horizon, but certainly to do my MSc dissertation, I'm hoping to do something with paediatric herbal medicine.